Hello friends, welcome to Techmaima YouTube channel. In this video, we will see about class variable and instance variable. So whatever the variable we declare outside the method, that is called as class variable. Whatever we give or pass the values inside the method, that is called as instance variable. I mean, while instantiating, we pass the values, right? Those values are called as instance variable. Here is the example. I have a class named as student and a equal to 100 is the value, which is a class variable. This is class variable. And here I'm defining a method with n. So this is the instance variable. I have to pass the value, then only that will become a instance variable. Okay. So here is an example. I'm calling the variable name using the class name. Students.a is 100. So at the same time, you can call the same class name using object name also. So here I'm creating object named as obj. So obj.a is 100. Same output you will get. And while I'm instantiating it, I have to pass one value, right? See self.n. n means I have one parameter I have given. I have to pass the value, so I'm passing as Ravi. So if you check object.name, it is Ravi. You can modify the class variable using the class name. Student.a equals new value. So now if you check student.a is new value got changed. When you try to modify the class variable with the help of object, what will happen? You will not get any error. It says it is modified kind of, but a new variable will be created that will be stored in the object. It won't modify the actual class variable. So object.a equal to, I'm giving some string values. If you run this, you will get the output, but if you check the class variable name, it remains the same. But if you check the object name, it is Ravi. So to check what and all the variable Ravi has, so not Ravi, object has, you can use the DACT attribute. See, name is Ravi, A is a new variable, what value it has. Right, such a way you can check for class also. So this is the value which is available inside a class in the mode of dictionary format. Okay, so that's all about class variable and instance variable. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.